not that the new man start.
At least
never say me bisa say yes papi Dada Kedi be credit. And so who was bebre. Apart from that, Dada Kedi so ma. But say Dada Kedi so say I don't know.
To be a public knowledge.
But Empress, I go to Becca Sam say. On say Obidis Oko Jamaica. A lot of people are not interested in their what killed them. You get
because they're ordinary people, Anna.
Yes, but Bob Marley, Minister Cancer, Joseph here culture weird. Minister sclerosis of liver cancer, and
because they are popular figures.
They are popular figures.
Reports not is in the public domain.
Died of anesthetic propofol and whatever.
Propofol overdose.
And they make us say, yeah, culture and my quite. But Minister Ora John Kuma weird. You say blood cancer killed him.
Yeah.
The autopsy report was all over. Media program. I do 2 screens to extra guy check
decision. Exactly. They want to make it public.
Yeah, because of problems there.
Yeah. But you see,
musicians, celebrities.
The reason why I make us and say I was wasted there. Obi na demand you. And any yeka. Tell you. And you be keke. And you be keke. And you family. Ninia man na demand say on person na di ku.
Yeah, but you see, when they get to know, to make it public is another ball game altogether.
Yeah. That will be their choice.
They've already made it public.
So they are calling say omo abusuafo no kwa de behu.
Abusua no pene hu. I say the entity make say abebu no no. Say ofififre ni ehun sama. Just say obi wu na say opese ofifra. Dey ba na say mansotwe ntokwa de ohe.
No, but say.
Dey na abusua na bema. So we dey na bema obi aka say me pese me hu ade eku no.
Not just ti
asemo kan. I say menene kasa 3 days.
3 days.
Like so be suspicion or this is suspicion or they are then it's only fair say ye bema ni pa na hu. Yeah, no, it doesn't just lie in the bosom of a busuapenyin kwa. Mind you, nipa no send a uchem no fra busuamienu.
Yeah.
It is akodi baako wa. Say busua baako so be say ye dey share no dey ne ku no. And it is only fair, but to make it public,
exactly.
Becomes the busuan decision
to take. Ola, it's already public because
what is public?
Let me I'm explaining. The entire ama make say oma the kind yaba because according to one letter I read, any speculations and any diana what they were saying was that the first account on death, I've listened to an interview, I've forgotten
what they were saying was speculative.
No, let me
That's
finish.
Why they give 3. They gave 3 speculative, not the report.
No, not the actual report. So the first one by was that yes, the MRI story at Empress H.A. The second one was that almost say Odobronina or who said that the Lumbe they said one brother being a cancer Odobronika different story H.A. No. So who said that the Lumbe wu and no friend are down for being down for the boy. So I say I didn't at the hold that. So I believe in as much as it may not be possible say Ebusiani the rabbit to was say
no, but you are missing something. You are missing something. The okay any coroner's report.
Yeah, speculation.
These are speculations around it. But we are dealing with the report.
Sound today okay. Official almost join this the cool. But speculation say pellets
and the pie. So the speculation now I travel far no. Wouldn't it make it right
to release it?
No. But because the woman's letter using the speculative, reports has been that me and the matters you see from the right source say I deal with the community. That's what she's saying. And it's fair.
I don't know what Busia penny. I don't want to say Ghana Yabusian, and the friend say Busia penny. And then Moranso ta Busia penny. Say report be a biano. Yen kind of public. What the back of Busia penny. In the Busia penny, the better say, and I'm penny for Busia penny was sounds one penny for and so I can't. I want to be who say okay. I deal with a yes I back a dominant because one say audition. Nese be a me fan say
so would you be signing your domo ni nua penny
but na me tell say ni nua penny
no but people are also
requesting ni nua penny no o she busua penny ase so they say ye ka busua enye wo nua no ne fi nampo na ye busua yi no because say ade de kura ba enye ni nua na be di
the mention say do be san o ni nua penny na all right to know
but enye wium na so busa sa asem
yeah And I agree.
Yeah, so Ubusano who create confusion.
Yeah, I agree.
It is all coffee now.
Yes, and what and
access. So
there's a problem somewhere.
Yeah, let an nearby no created some suspicion. So you to me. It me who believe say.
What's up guys, Russ here. I'm super excited to tell you guys about the new movie, Sarah's Oil.
God gave me that land for a reason.
It's a sign. I believe in signs.
In the 1900s, there was so much tension. Young Sarah Rector has to overcome.
It's my land.
You want a war? She overcomes it because of her family and her faith.
Dear Lord, help me keep what's mine.
Her name is Sarah Rector. You're going to be hearing a lot about her.
I can't wait for you guys to watch this movie. Make sure you check it out.
Sarah's Oil, rated PG. Only in theaters November 7th. Tickets until now.
More than two, free say, or yes, or might be this shit. No about be who my remark. So man already show no bet me about bisa.
Yeah, but
said dear the edition. So mo pa.
And we don't interested. And we don't said ya can say Lumba says so here Ghanaian.
German citizen status now. You cannot be another citizen. You cannot be a citizen of another country.
Wow.
But dual
citizenship.
Yeah,
just that
they don't
accept. German for accepting dual citizenship. Yes, they say America. Yeah, German doesn't accept it.
Etilumba ne ye ka say we Germany full stop.
Yeah, but you see, then report to the German police. Don't make it.
Look at body no cry enye Ghana enye ye
enye Ghana for
there paper so no enye Ghana for there
what paper so say
original German ambassador
so a German citizen
is a German ambassador
yes me ba it me in nature say dede ya ye nyina ene e queen at team 1 team 2
legitimate question yeah
team 2 ni nyina ya dream when say abody na what transition say German for there
I don't know what the law
okay ya dream one who say nipa na wo won we Germany ni ba
enu na me bi say
na ne ma ezo so ye Germany
for ne ma ne bi
maybe
ne ba ni bi
wow okay ne ma ni bi three na wo ho no
automatically ne ma 11 year German for
yeah according to an expose be a course to another TV station no onipa ni dey whatever documents or the train host ka say Lumama said you only yes sister Odobroni wo ye no omo ye German citizens because ne papa German so automatically no more German passport that is ebusuani ni na
okay so information is Germany for accepted citizenship last year. They accepted it.
Last year.
So last year.
Yeah. So now they accept the dual citizenship.
Yeah, so it's both Ghanaian.
It you know say no dear say if you obey Ghana
last
Germany.
Year no to be here.
I no near some only what this year cause asama ne okobisa.
Because asama here can serious. Because here can maybe ana ye papa Lumba anya.
Cause why anya?
Why will?
Enya ne will ni ye kan ho asem. Wanye ne citizenship asem na making na se wanya na se body ni Germany for there
omo fako
but before mo buy any citizenship
super
is it Germany
no but Empress you see this is the challenge yeah mrem no any what tradition and customs
tell me a culture
and me tobo no say nipa ni wu a abusia take charge but German for them nipa no ya yire ne manasem
I state there
ayire no ene manasem
okay
omoni state ne daily ta ho no mun ni abusia pa ni abusia titi there
it there yire ne man be kana na ye fine
omoni decide the one be say ye e decide ye gidi na say German for ka say ye je this year mo fo ya de mre ya
until last year now accepted dual citizenship. It means that Lumba was fully a German.
Yes.
So also wedding the Ghana politics. No, it's offense. It's offense in Ghana.
It's true, but politics of Ghana.
Etiano afi mo se prepare na funu kra ya de ko. Sanasa.
Akabebe de.
Yes, somebody go to
bed. Ba ni betumi nya.
So be fako.
No, so long as unim for America for example. We dem fan say enye dad lumba. America ni fita. And wa be wu ato Ghana. Na ne family say omu hia body no. You don't come for the body and take it away. Irrespective say obeye den wa ha. Omo den be ko. It will for sad na for esusu lumba. Oye lumba bi na bi aye onwa. E bi ananka enye ta. That's why German citizens said omu chire. They can decide that they want to take him away. No mo kwa ko say no mo krum dey na be ti aka. Wonya Ghana ni.
Ntumi nya ne hwe.
So wonya wo krum ni. Oyo krum ni.
I serious
game now with the motive.
For years.
Anybody can trigger
you know what Germany. Not just a salon on the back, you know.
Of course.
Me person obi question tin e ma me bisa. Ye ma me akosia sewa. Court na okono. Me court na oko say opese court na mo bi ate ne ho ase.
Yep. Ordinance marriage at Germany.
But the ordinance is also reflects here. It's recognized here.
Okay, into me patch on me bow. Say, even say, oko court no na yakase ono na court national ono ne ya recognize na obetumi the akoso oje body.
That one I don't know.
We don't know.
I don't
know. Say AC.
So share dey na ho. Etina I want to say say ebusua ni pe ba bi kwhye. Na ba bi ebusua no pe kwhye no. Omo anye fast na say leaky. Eka ebusua no ye fast and come cover we na because she say ebusua no pe ba kwhye. Ba bi on be kwhye any odobro side or they say we jibum na ya everything bibia na ne borre na
of how na your mabusia penya ka be me de pa
say
Empress only say ade ba ko so say oye German citizen meaning say he had some benefits from German government.
Thank you.
Na say ne yire nso ye German citizen
na ne ma
na say ne yire ntimi improve say oye yire a o say be affecting no Germany especially a normal movement you din also.
And I
how do you claim? No, but my example, me grandpa, Ghana, but we UK ni.
Okay.
So,
grandfather.
Yes, so they needed Bibi a say, Wabewu Ghana, UK for need you, nye Ghana for.
Okay.
Number so wine and now
wow.
Na when any nest of kin said ye beya ni noma ni japade ni na de no nipa betimi lay claims
so na woso
da me na na menye ba said the beya nipa betimi lay claims now if indeed said Lumba was on insurance policy if indeed so insurance so our Germany if indeed so on ire akosia sewa share certain documents I just so mo married
couple
nas ye ntimi when to me improve say indeed where you are who's a be affecting no Germany
now this only and come on
yes me quotation to what you are suggesting
only there
so only sa document na and come me no onko ye legal way bia
no I don't think
I don't know what I'm saying reason for the court case ni here no more
yeah but I don't think say the problem no within the German jurisdiction
no
as far as Ohoye concerned she's
the
recognized wife
true
how the only problem
but Bema no
no
seven money was with death certificate
but who and yes who nya na ire
no Ghana
no but this is a mistake we do Memra so me ja oba o Ghana na say wari o Germany ye ja yo.
No,
relax. So me wari o Germany. Na me no oba no be divorce o Ghana. Me ko Germany. Ye ko through the legal divorce e was Ghana. Empress Nyabote. I'm saying say relax. I'm saying say me wari o Germany.
Yeah.
True Emrana, me bagana maware. True of us. True. Sana se me bagana na me jawa de no true Emra me ko Germany me jaware. True. But that's the law. That's the law. That's the law. No.
Customary and ordinance.
Then me say true Emra.
No,
but ordinance sorry. Say you customary marriage. I'm not for you say Emra. I am worry.
Oh, you dey waka. What drum person better as an NTS.
Yeah, ordinance is Emra worry. But for say who register wo Germany. And our bagana also be good. Now, I say what the reference be the
that's what I was going to say.
Where jai. Yes,
that is why the court case is important to her.
No, it's not.
What do you mean it's not? No, it is.
No, let me.
It is very important.
No, it's not important because
who said Germany holiday? Like we are all saying, according to ordinance marriage, she is recognized as the legal wife. So if it comes to claiming something, maybe what she may need is a death certificate to prove that the person is dead. But the question we should be asking is that Senya Ola Chemuno, so Nibana Wari or Germany. No person divorce. I mean, you're supposed to me a Ghana court to say, my worry, me yiri, assume me person bed divorce. You know,
no, you can't.
So
you can't. No, you don't need that far.
So how are they going to get that? You see, how are they going to get that document?
You see, this is it. I know we are my lawyer for educating or deal back and forth. The thing is that worry by ordinance
recognized everywhere.
Baby, I could be a worry. Full stop.
Yes, and you can terminate it everywhere.
America and
Ghana, I bet you make America.
Of course,
going through the process.
You go through the process. You bet you America. Over Ghana, what jai? It's as simple as that. Look, it's up. No, be crazy. It's lawyer. No say.
Ghana, hanu ojai womrim.
We jai womrim.
Won jai you. What's won jai you? You see, she na assembly court. Mama ni si won jai wade.
Exactly.
Thank you.
So what I say. What's won jai wade?
Buy out your lease early. Most people wait until the very last second. But if you buy out your lease 6 months to a year in advance, you could save yourself thousands of dollars. Plus, keeping a lease on a car you know you would love to own, well, that's about as smart as I can't think of a metaphor, but it's really bad.
Lease End. End your lease, keep your car.
Kunu wa nipa afede nipa fa nti ese tu ebo ase man o ha anase ogina yon chance say ya obedi ya okese mo ma ye hwe say ye betwi abusua ni nyina abom onkosu bibia o
oh boss
onkosu bibia o ene no ye memman untimi ntenase say wote Ghana ha oyerete Germany for 2 years. Now, why the ben no do na ma?
Asem okay there.
No for asem no sanity. Oh, just say o pese o pretend. Ben na bia ni ho a obeka say o yere akonto nso nko a wote ase ya. O mfa wo oba foforo biala.
Nti ono nso wo ho no ono so bitimi ayo pa.
No.
I don't know the one to me get the open now the was so to
yeah say ordinance there ono between the open but customary there
what do you mean ordinance over here
oh yes people don't know
it's not right ordinance with me the open
it's the same there be open
say no crime is dangerous
open say already na and am chire mu no
but the answer is not correct
customary law no oba ya ware ono ofa bema adultery you according to customary law
oba ya wafa bema adultery
yes enti eno utimi gina so bema utimi gina so jaware but bema na waware no say ofa oba onye obi yere a enya adultery mfa ma customary marriage
and ordinance
oh yes
and ordinance
yes ordinance no ye the same adultery
they adultery
munya abote
ya be say te ase
aware na guo no ne mra no ye different no ordinance
munya abote
eye 2 nipa 2 ene tena se ware enti na na say 2 no ba ko mfiri ba ko enko baabi ba ko so mfiri baabi enko baabi say ukọ a enya adultery eye bigamy
there is bigamy
no
bigamy bigamy so free ti ko ware a we ko fa
debi enya ko ware gwa o
dabi bigamy de ko ware dabi ene bigamy de ko ware bigamy na bo relationship no legally na bigamy no
concentrate
so eniam na bi ho no mo a we ye didi agro
ba the bigamy on
say oka bigamy e wo ordinance mo a say wo de oba hye dem na oyere beto no so a or report a aye bigamy
enya no
you okay fine say enya no credit it is
say o worry under ordinance na say o yire bechi say o no bi ehye dem a why bigamy yes yes benye bigamy infidelity infidelity
you take it say anything na I'm friend say uchiti ma me chiro te say nipa no onim mremu no pese obe hawadwe say oba no beto say wonne be ma ehye ho amo have sex no be pie so a what say na ware no obe charge bigamy.
It's not bigamy. A recipe for divorce. Oh, what am I saying? Bigamy is simple. Abutebene we are no
for pen paper.
And I say so
yes, bigamy ne say bema one worry under ordinance. Now why your wedding? Okay, why your wedding? And that's what court. I sign. No what's worry or bar for.
Yes.
What worry and you only na ko chimpna.
So people worry 2.
It's one worry 2. Buy. You want polygamy. And you want monogamy. And you want bigamy.
No polygamy no kra me chi.
Ko hansa. We na bigger hona.
It's
where did now body me say me chire say where did no emu no ni wom emu de oka polygamy oh me ba but
you will be you polygyny now yes
oka polygamy eh polyandry
and when the yard is
any polygyny and o maka boom na ye polygamy
okay
what you say you oka polygamy a unwie but ye man yi mu no ye use polygyny ye use polyandry nti omo kashe mu sa ndi uka polygamy a wo de komre ni ma wo be fail
na ye nka polygamy
me pacho ye mra no Ghana ye mra ye mra no support polygyny them or ware e madodo
no we are not
correct but oba or ware me madodo e polyandry ye man but uka polygamy what can you know boom
okay but it's meant for all of them obani be
whether ya fa
me say we see obe mate Ghana no obati abrochia obema no ontumi survive we so okofo obi but obande ontumi kofo ade no obande do ontumi kofo no na me be
ba chama ne answer
come the definition of
that's any better
only
na o say where Merriam-Webster for bigamy now
lawyer
say the act of entering into a marriage with one person while still legally married to another.
So yes, oh, bigamy when bigamy
for your care.
Tina, omo ordinance no. Omo twempra.
Oh
yes, I say.
Baby, na ye ne twempra. Because a common growth bebre na aye ordinance omo twempra.
Yes, because say oyiri ana we nya evidence bi say eyaware a enya hwinti obetimi aye dey atwempra saa na oba no so betimi atwempra
oba no so betimi atwempra.
Yes, that is ordinance. But ye oba ye customary marriage ni mu a
traditional marriage engagement
bemma ne kofa oba de ne benefit ware no nti oba ne need to me say obefa bemma foforo
oba ne need to
yes ofa sa kwan ne so a adultery wo ye mre ni say ultimate divorce
who committee adultery ni de any na ebe committee bi o
no me tira de o
but you see you can say o say you can say na
say
we make it is not a man Mr. It is not a man privilege thing that you are entitled to may I finish? You are entitled say because of loneliness in tea.
No.
Would you betumi akofo oba foforo?
No,
but me na me so me your oba na sebio moje di memu afusane na me wa na so oba no so to na sebio atenka na we omu se be ma no onu so nya that same needs na or expect so obi be for feel sa needs no na no de ye kasa wo de wo koya adultery but bema de okoya
woni de ntia
ma me koye
woni de ntia
kasa
de ntia I say emra na okoye ordinance a o mo ba ho ka timi ordinance ye mo ba ho ka
ordinance ya ko
eno say me ko platform Ghana ha buy 200 Ghana cedis mewie
ni aware
ma ware me ne o ya ware no me obi akuta na right control obi o ye ordinance o control na yiri na enim. You can't control a woman under the ordinance. You can't give Obano instruction under the ordinance. Yes.
We need a man under
the
ordinance. Yes.
Our man here for
you the only right.
No.
Me go to Mram Moses here. Memo de me say all say you hwehwe ani mamunti. Obani won a right because worry na ordinance on a right the person wey be ultimately eye nti e ho na ya na mo de be measure eye customary marriage no bema bet physical abusa e papa abusa atria wo
ba no tumi mbo ba bema no betumi abo
na bi onye dwaman bema obo dwaman enye bema no betumi aware bia be kan ho ye ware kan ho now wa be fa wa firi ufi o papa fie e de wa ko no ni fie e ko to duane amodi akohwe wo ni pedua no wuti esai biribi wani echi di ba obia na bema aye bema na responsibility enti wo ni set enti wo de wo pe ko ma bema foforo a e kire se wo pese bema na all take his responsibility no wo je di akoma bema foforo that is called adultery enti mra no ehwe se ene e ko ne ko to bema foforo so but meanwhile no ordinance no obi mo obi ho ka a contract and ya make it inti say ye shema untimi control chinchina say me hye demo me say what you say it will be our freedom
na ya
equal right equal right e ka say equal right equal right
but so for my win me enti as say wa won church nimrem
nimrem na me ka tell
order see the enya ba dey okay
ahana won sa
pepe
I'm say wo ware so see adia no disturbing no must be fear but I dey ko britre busa wo britre na o for customary marriage
Ghana
o busa ho no na sa ho na ware nfi bae o busa ho masa na te Bema oba need to me oba so wa britre say wo britre oh yes
Bema need to me
so na to me be o kan no antia o no okro no dey na be no ai mo dem nim say they are say ya ware any different o and abrofa ware any different monti yes
your ordinance no any difference
oh me say
na was to explain to us
ma meji too no meji I just say problem ban san when we say sa ho ache meji because already no what could you oba ho ade okotua ka bebre and na okoye ordinance me when say nke okoye ordinance and can hear say what could you say na no
ye ni be say tua na
na wo tua so who be tua na
for you sika
no but you see this education because when people are decide this some person because they feel said they've not got the money
yes to say
simple and I feel so who person who control ba.
It's not about the control. It's about the control.
Oh yes,
no. Ordinance na control.
Utie. Or say.
Ordinance na imagine no. Okwa akobre ho asehye be ma na se yes na ka because we go pay japade
but ordinance yem baby ordinance no yen kan so kobre ho asehye be ma se ordinance yen mere bi ni say
ordinance na ye kan for better for worse for richer in sickness and health
and no enka ho eno Archbishop Thomas Creamer o de ba ye no de no betale ho ntia na aya Christopher lie no
it's no na sorry dem ye kan
but o ye ordinance na nkasa enka ho ona sorry for na de atetale ho eye contract you can brochiro between 6 months time between divorce so bibia show for better for worse no de sorry for no masasa de abom no mo di proud
but customer no so ye ni ehye bia that is any can say we na bi ni
they want hefa
the customer dey na wo ka say na we ba be man ko shop ba so na
wa bibi kakra e ba wa ye
kakra for transitive say oba ye say be ma ye say by nimrem obi antro no
nimrem say emrem
coach ni enka your constitution
and you see a senior there na be
so for bu am so say so mkita collection flu
I was like customary